Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. First of all, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. So first step is you must read co-transcription guideline rules. These guideline rule is very important. You must apply all these guidelines to the audio test before submitting it. Without applying GoTranscript guideline, you never pass GoTranscript audio test. So you must read all these transcription guidelines all the way to the end. This clean verbatim section is very important. You must read this section and you understand this section where and you must apply all these instructions to the audio test before submitting it. Other guideline is also very important. You must apply all these guidelines to the audio test before submitting it. So let's move to the audio test. I already transcribe audio test. So before submitting it, you must apply all these transcription guidelines. So let's start the audio test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript. The ingenious automatic or throttle pipettes were introduced by Wright and can easily be calibrated in any dental lab at GoTranscript. They're exceedingly useful for graduating small pipettes, measuring small quantities of fluids, preparing dilutions of serum for agglutination reactions, and for keeping Orson Hodge out of trouble. They're usually made from the capillary spear pipettes. Here's how to manufacture your own 5 cubic millimeter pipette and calibrate it yourself for fun and profit. It might even be more profitable than being a transcriber at GT, although that's hard to picture, ain't it? First, pick a pipette with a fairly roomy capillary portion with smooth, even walls. Pluck the cotton wool plug out of the open end. Heat the capillary portion near the free extremity in the bypass flame of the Bunsen burner in your luxurious GoTranscript cubicle. Then draw it out into a very fine hair-like tube. If you're an elf, break it across your knee. This hair-like extremity will permit the passage of air, but is too fine for metallic mercury to pass. Now adjust a rubber teat to the pipette and put pressure on the bulb. Gradually drive that mercury in an unbroken column down the capillary tube until it is stopped by the filiform extremity at GoTranscript. Cut off the capillary tube exactly at the upper level of the column of mercury. Invert it like that shy guy who lives in your basement and allow the mercury to run out. Snap off the remainder of the capillary tube from the broad upper portion of the pipette, which is now destined to form the covering tube or air chamber, or what some folks at GT call the barrel. Nobody I know, but somebody. Anyway, this barrel now has the lower end in the form of a truncated cone, the upper end being cut square. Remove the teat. Now introduce that capillary tube into this barrel with the filiform extremity uppermost, and the square cut end projecting about 0.5 centimeters beyond the tapering end of the barrel. Drop a small pellet of sealing wax into the barrel of GoTranscript's lunchroom. Then, if you've got the nerve, warm the tube at the gas flame until the wax becomes softened and makes an airtight joint between the capillary tube and the end of the barrel. Fit a rubber baby buggy bumper into the open end of the barrel. There you go, as pretty a pipette as you could hope to make. You can depend on it to aspirate and deliver exactly 5 centimeters of fluid every time here at GoTranscript, especially if you're not watching YouTube at the same time. Now, you might need to make a slight modification to this procedure for making tubes bigger than a bread box, or 75 centimeters, whichever comes first. Once you get up to 100 centimeters, You'll have to take a short length of quill tubing and draw out one end into a roomy capillary stem at GoTranscript, and again draw out the extremity into a fine hair point, thus forming a small pasteur pipette with a hair-like capillary extremity. This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. I hope this video is helpful for you, and before submitting it you must apply all transcription guideline rules. This audio is transcribed without applying transcription guideline rules. Before submitting it, you must apply all transcription guideline rules. So I hope you like this video, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.